Hi there, my name is Rhonda and this is Challenging Kitchen. Today I have a recipe that my family requests all the time. It's meatloaf. Yes, that's right, something simple as meatloaf. I'm going to show you how it's done. Here are the items that you're going to need. At least 2 pounds of hamburger meat, some onion, a clove of garlic, an egg, 1 package of onion soup mix, some Ritz crackers, some ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some pepper, and some salt. And if you would like, this is optional, you could place some bacon on top. This is what my husband has requested for this meatloaf. The first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and chop our onion and smash our garlic. This is going to be a finer cut of onion. I want them really small. And we're going to use, for the 2 pounds, I'm probably going to use about 1/2 cup of the onion. I don't know if you can see that. Want them really small. Set that to the side. Mash me garlic. And we're going to do the same thing. As small as I can get that. Because you don't want to have one big chunk of garlic in part of your bite of meatloaf. You could also use a garlic press. About like that. Let's see if I can focus. The next thing we want to do is we want to get our mixing bowl. And we're going to add our 2 pounds of meat right in there. Have your meat set out for at least 30 minutes. That way it's not super duper cold while you're mixing it. Now we're just going to go ahead and add our onion and our garlic into the bowl. I'm gonna add my onion powder, garlic powder. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of onion powder. Three-quarters to a teaspoon of garlic powder. My husband likes it really garlicky, so I'm going to add a whole teaspoon. I'm going to use a quarter teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. One tablespoon. I think I'm gonna make it 2. I like that flavor. And a quarter cup of ketchup. Our soup mix. Just gonna crush these Ritz crackers up. As fine as I can get them. This is going to be a half a pack of Ritz crackers. One egg. With washed hands, we're going to gently mix it together, just until it's incorporated. Okay. Preheat my oven, 350 degrees. Here we go. And in my loaf pan, it's a standard loaf pan. We're just gonna take this mixture and we're gonna put it right in there. I'm just gonna pat it out. Okay. Now I'm going to put our ketchup on. I'm just gonna place the bacon strips. This is really thin bacon. And it's just gonna cover it. One more piece. And that'll do it. And in the oven it goes, 350 for an hour to an hour 15 minutes. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy day to watch me. I am humbled and very grateful. Thank you so much. And thank you to all my subscribers and the new ones that are coming in. Give the recipe a try. Let me know how you like it. You know I love to hear from you. And if there's any recipes that you think other people would like to hear about, put them in the comments down below. Thank you. And until we see one another again, may God always bless you.